Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your pin not being accepted for Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So as you can see, whenever I will actually try to input my pin, I have forgotten it. I can't do anything. So what we can do in this situation? Well, there's only one thing, and it is to perform a factory reset. Now, in order to perform a factory reset, we first need to turn off our tablet. So we can do that by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button at the same time, and then simply go, it failed, and simply go and swipe up in order to power it off. And it actually is going to power off in like few seconds, so after a quick moment you can begin getting into the recovery mode, and you get into recovery mode by once again pressing and holding the power button and volume up button. But the moment we see Mi logo, we want to release power button like this. Oh, I actually failed. As you can see, I have let go of both keys, not only the power button, which means that now our tablet will reboot. Oh, or actually not. Okay, that's pretty funny. So apparently you can only press and hold the volume key for a few seconds, which is pretty funny. But anyway, we are now inside the recovery menu. Let me rotate it for you. And we can actually move through the recovery menu by clicking the power buttons, the volume button to navigate and power button to click things. And now we can simply go into wipe data. But before we proceed any further, there is a very big warning, and I must tell you that wiping all your data will, just as the name suggests, wipe all your data. And yeah, it does include your password. However, it also includes your images, your photos, your friends, even your messages with them, your contacts, your videos, your music. Everything will be deleted from this device, and the tablet will almost behave like it never really saw anything, like it's brand new. So yeah, be very careful. If you are like 100% sure that you cannot, for the love of God, remember the passwords, only then perform a factory reset. Anyway, with that warning out of the way, we can now proceed by clicking the power button to go into wipe data, go down and go once again into wipe data. And now we must confirm that yes, indeed, we want to wipe all data. Let's go into confirm. And now we are wiping all the data, and as you can see, it actually was pretty quick. So we can go back to the main menu. Oh yeah, as you can see, the display, the touchscreen is actually working. And now you want to simply go into reboot, and you can go into reboot system. And now, after a moment, we should get the brand new setup screen for the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Now, I'm not going to show you in this video how to actually go through the setup itself. However, if you want to learn how to do it, you can always watch our setup tutorial on our channel for the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. But for this video, that's it. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.